I don't know if you can notice, but those two subwoofers look like complete crap. They used to be conjoined, and you know, they had lights in it and glass and mirrors, and it was pretty cool. But it wasn't practical if I had another big one. Like, I couldn't fit both of those. So I sawed them in half, trimmed them up, and I'm going to attempt to carpet them.
Like, holy crap. Doing this by hand sucks.
Everybody's favorite part. Oh yeah. I don't know how to get this off. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's wired. Oh. Alright, so I got this cloth carpet, and I'm just gonna slap it on, put an X on it, and tuck it kind of like how it is down there. Hopefully it works. And I'm gonna kind of leave it flailing out like that, because my goal is to try to combine all of them to look like one sub. Hopefully that'll work, you know? Hopefully. I've always wanted to do it, but I never really could figure out how. Alright, well that's one done. Let's go ahead, get this on the other one. It's gonna wear the crap out of my hand.
What model ceiling fan is that? Whoa, there's a royal titty all by itself over there.
Like, why is there a titty in the corner? Titties don't go in the corner. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's just a baby titty. Oh, there's the other royal titty. Wow, she got some big chestises. That's so far away.
Believe it or not, I'm actually very well educated. I'm in my third year of college, doing electrical engineering technology, and I'm very smart. Yeah, I had to push my glasses up. That's how smart I am. Alright, here comes the unmasking. Here we go. Oh, shoot! Oh, damn, it's nasty in there. Oh, that's nasty.
This is the part where you let the nipples slip through the clothing. Slip! Tiggle pepperoni bitties. Tiggle.
Alright, so I had connected all the wires and I plugged the final power wire to that outlet there. All the outlets and electricity went out. Lovely. So I had to go in here and my breaker, and then I had to reset that one. Good thing we had breakers, isn't it?